In units, change meters to centimeters. Bevel it. Shade smooth it. Select these edges. Right click, click mark seam, select all, unwrap UV, select confirm all, take a cylinder, change the values, delete these faces, add solidify modifier and change the values, add bevel modifier, change the values, shade smooth it, apply the modifiers, select these vertices, scale them, go to edit, click preferences in add-ons, type node wrangler, tick it, node wrangler adds the textures to material. In shader editor, cube will have default material. Select principled BSDF, click Ctrl Shift T, add textures, delete displacement map and node, click on render preview, select light, click sun, adjust the value, rotate the light and adjust the angle. In render engine, select the cycles, select GPU compute. In render, change 4K to 32 because my system renders fast at 32. You can change this how much you want. Take a plane for floor. Click Ctrl A, apply the scale. Unwrap the plane. Add new material to plane. Click Ctrl Shift T. Add textures. Delete displacement texture and node. Select the glass. Add material. Decrease roughness to 0. Increase transmission to 1. Add subdivision surface modifier and apply. Before rendering, let me check the cycles render settings once again. Okay, now render the scene. I am skipping the rendering. Render completed. We got good render output for glass. Save the render image. Thank you for watching.